Hello, my friends. Welcome back to Keto in the Chaos. It's Sunday, September 23rd, 2018, and it's weigh-in day. Hello, everyone. I hope you had a great Sunday. Today's my second son's 20th birthday, so I've been a little busy today prepping a party for him and getting things together, and so I apologize if this video is coming out a little bit late. I'm not sure when I'm going to get a chance to edit this, so I'm going to make it short because I've got a lot going on today, and I hope that's okay. We're going to skip right to the weigh-in. So as you can see, today I weighed in at 195.8 pounds, which is a 3.7 loss for this week. And that's pretty awesome and amazing. After my 12-pound loss last week, getting rid of all of that water weight that came on to me while I was in Alabama, I am relieved to be getting back to normal. So I'm still not at my lowest weight. My lowest weight was 194, so I'm still a little bit, pound and 0.8 away from my lowest weight. But that's okay. I'm not worried about that. Like I said, I'm kind of maintaining right now, and I'm kind of sticking in this little area. Anything between 190 and 200 is going to make me feel great about myself right now. Anything over 200, I get a little nervous. But as long as it's staying in the 190s, I'm pretty comfortable here. So that's feeling pretty great today to have had that big loss. I wasn't expecting that at all. I was actually expecting to just kind of stick where I was. And so that was kind of exciting to get on the scale today and see it had gone down. One awesome thing that happened was all of my inches that when I measured last week, a lot of the places on my body had actually gone up in a little bit of like a quarter inch here, half an inch there. And I hadn't really lost any inches in a while. And today, all of my inch measurements, all of them were either at where I was before or lower. So I actually lost, believe it or not, another half an inch from my bust and from my rib cage. And today, I actually went and bought a new bra at Walmart. Now, it is not fitting 100% perfectly. It could be a little tighter around the band, and it could be a little fuller in the cup size. But I purchased a bra from Walmart for $10 that I can wear. This is amazing. Amazing. I've literally never, ever, ever been able to do that. Never. Ever, ever. Not that I'm happy that I'm shrinking in the girly area, but honestly, I really don't mind because it makes things fit, it makes clothes easier to buy and all of that. It's just, everything is easier when you are a smaller size. It's much more difficult to buy things, and things are more expensive when you are larger. So I'm thrilled about that. I also lost a half an inch around my waist. Woo! That makes me very happy because that's the part of my body that I'm super self-conscious about. I guess probably the most self-conscious about, especially after being asked if I was expecting in Atlanta, which still makes me giggle because my stomach was very bloated and I did look actually pregnant. So don't fault that woman. But now I'm a little bit more self-conscious, I think, about my pooch in the front. But I'm not that worried about it, obviously. I'm not that worried about it because I am wearing a super tight shirt and leggings right now, and I'm feeling pretty dang comfortable. So there you go. So yesterday I actually had the opportunity to go to CVX Live, and I got to meet so many really amazing, influential YouTubers, and they were all so welcoming and so heartwarming and just made me feel like I was very important in their lives, and I absolutely enjoyed that. I kind of wish I had applied for the next big YouTube star. Anyway, they had a contest for the next big YouTuber, and I kind of wish I had applied. It was totally inspiring and totally wonderful to see all these great, down-to-earth, awesome people being successful on YouTube, and really inspired me to keep going with my family channel and to keep this channel going because they were all very interested in what I had to say, and they were all very interested in how well my channel was doing, and I just really appreciated that they took the time to give me a little bit of tips and mentor me a little bit on YouTube creation and having a bigger YouTube channel and how to cope with all of the problems that comes with that. Because thanks to you guys, I really feel like this channel has a chance at becoming a big channel, and so I'm trying to look toward the future on maybe things that I wasn't prepared for, that maybe I need to prepare myself for, that kind of thing. So that was super fun. And if you're interested in seeing the YouTubers that I met, I will be posting a vlog on hide and seek very soon, hopefully tomorrow, about my adventures. And that was really, really fun. That's pretty much all I have for you guys today. I don't have any profound words of wisdom to share other than just keep on keeping on, stay the course, don't get waylaid. And if you get bumped off the road, jump back on as fast as you can. Just keep going, one day, 1 minute, 1 second at a time. And tomorrow is always a new day. And today's mistakes don't have to carry into tomorrow. Just keep moving forward and you'll see the results. It's inevitable. You will reach your goal if you keep course correcting. That's all I have for you today. We'll talk to you again soon.